I'm going to share with you today the profitable business ideas that you can operate in Somalia. Somalia is one country whereby it is recovering from the 25 years of civil war. But let us begin and see what business ideas you can invest right now. Welcome again to Business Ideas and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If you have not yet watched my previous videos that I've made on business ideas and entrepreneur skills, please click down in the description below so that you get links to the previous video. And if this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get the previous videos that I'm going to share with you on business ideas and entrepreneur skills. Thank you for being with me today here. I'm going to share with you the profitable business ideas that you can invest in Somalia. Somalia is known to be a country whereby there has been a civil war for the past 25 years, and which had a lot of challenges related to terrorism and piracy and civil war, clan war. But today it is turning to be one of the areas whereby foreign industries are investing and creating a lot of opportunities, a huge demand from the people. There are very many businesses that's working in Somalia, and you can invest today. Somalia is now recovering and needs a lot of infrastructural development. This is an area whereby it needs a huge investment. If you are one person who have got the idea or the mentality or the capital of establishing anything related to housing finances, buying land and reselling it, Somalia will be one place where you need to think of investing right now. In some years to come, I'm very much sure Somalia will not have the same amount or the same price of lands or housing or rentals that today you can provide. If you can buy today a land and resell it in a later years, this will be one of the profitable venture. The other business idea that I'm going to share with you today from Somalia, and you can invest in it, is that there are factories that need to be established in Somalia. Somalia is well known to exporting of oranges, bananas, and textile, as well as livestock. Rebuilding those factories will be a better chance of creating a good supply, as well as whereby there's already a demand, whereby providing those commodities will be a very good venture for you. The other one that I'm going to share with you is that creating a plastic industry. Establishing a plastic industry will be one good thing, because very many people need plastics so that they can keep their products. Need containers to transport their things. Establishing this thing will be cost effective for them, rather than buying from outside and reselling their products with expensive products. So it's a good idea whether you're going to invest in plastic industry. It's of good or high demand to be invested in this. The other one that I'm going to share with you is that creating a distribution network. What I mean is that creating a distribution network whereby products or goods that are imported in the country to be transported to the farthest or the nearest places where the commodity is of demand. These networks can be a transport system, or it can be a group of companies that provide these kind of services to transport the goods, the commodities, what's required to other destinations. Is also another good idea. You need to think of these things, because right now the country is now trying to be on its legs. It's on its legs. Once companies go into the market, it will become very much competent and very much competitive to enter into that market. Right now is the right time. If you are thinking of a company that's related to provision of these services, is the right time you have to go into this market. The final thing is all about organic farming. Organic farming is one of the highest demand, despite the areas whereby this type of farming can work, being dominated by some extremist groups. It is better to invest in organic farming and think of establishing organic farming, so that you make a lot of harvest and try to serve the community, because Somalia is always hit by drought which can be controlled by establishing organic farmings, whereby whether it is on deserts or whereby these farming lands still works. And keeping your product, the harvests, and reselling it during the times whereby it is of high demand. This will be another idea that you need to think of. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not yet subscribed, click on the subscription button so that you get good videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.